So, embarrassing story time. I actually played this video back and I realized that the audio was absolutely horrendous because of the wind. To my future self, for the 5 people actually watching, this is a diving trip that we took at the end of May in Nikiti, which is in the Halkidiki Peninsula. And we had a weekend of nice dives with a few friends. Thankfully we had the nice folks from Oceanic Dive Center help us out with any bottles or any extra diving gear that we might need. And so I'd like to extend a thank you to them. I hope you can enjoy this footage and hopefully you'll notice some improvement in my video making skills. Okay, funny thing, there's actually a wedding here in Porto Elea, so we can't go diving here, we have to go somewhere else. And we're going to a place called Armenistis, I think. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I've never actually been there, and it'll be fun to explore. So I'll talk to you later from there, I guess. And here's our lovely dive site. Basically we'll be coming from the same direction as the drone and then moving clockwise from left to right around the rocks. Now comes the fun part, cleaning up the diving mess. So what you're seeing here is actually my father doing his SSI open water tests, which he apparently decided to become a diver as well. And later you will see my first dive with him, which was really kind of a strange and interesting experience, but I really enjoyed it, and it was kind of a bit of a special moment, I guess, for us doing our dive together, and I will for sure remember it. So here's some footage from that dive. So unfortunately diving is over and we're on our way back home. On the way we stopped by, and this is Kavala. There's a nice restaurant behind me. That's where we'll be having dinner, and then we're on our way again to Bulgaria, unfortunately. So I just got back home. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. Really tired. I'm just gonna get like a quick shower and go to bed. And tomorrow it's back to the regularly scheduled routine, unfortunately. But anyway, been fun.